Let me welcome on board Jitendra Adhia. He's the President Finance at Atul Auto, joining in on the show right now. Jitendra, hi, good morning. Good to have you on ET now. Tell us a little bit more about how is it that you're planning to actually utilize this 115 crore rupee fundraise?
Well, let me tell you, since our sales is under recovery path, we thought that it is the right time that we consolidate on financial parameters as well. The utilization for this proceed would be mainly to repay the debt. There will be some requirement for working capital and general corporate purpose.
Okay, so that's the word coming in as far as the overall sales and demand pattern is concerned. But Mr. Jitendra also wanted to understand from you that the capacity seems to be highly underutilized at the moment. Could you talk to us how capacity utilization has moved and what's your outlook with respect to the sales momentum going forward? What should be the average run rate?
See, if we understand pre-COVID level, obviously our utilization was much higher than the required mark. On account of COVID, there was definitely a worse hit on three-wheeler segment. We were almost ready with our additional capacity at Ahmedabad plant, but could not commence the commercial production because there was a obviously very low demand. Now things are under consolidation. Market is likely to back to normal. Let us see. Atul Auto sales is picking up month over month this year up to September. We were able to just deliver good numbers compared to the previous year. However, it is obviously lower than the pre-COVID level. We expect that going forward with a complete product range, we have included alternative fuel three-wheeler apart from our main grip of diesel. And now we are ready with L3 and L5 category EV as well. So with this complete product range, we would be able to utilize this capacity in a much better way.
I missed that part. If you could just tell me about, the guided volumes, because I understand you're going to hit that 25 to 30,000 figure in FY23. Are you on target for it?
See, guiding volume would be a little difficult, but considering the current situation, we expect that we will be definitely be able to deliver much better numbers compared to previous year. Last year, we delivered 16,000. This year, it would be better. Till September, the YOY growth is 78%. I leave it to you. I believe that it will be better than what we have delivered last year.
Okay, and Mr. Jitendra, also help us understand the contours of this deal that you have, done with Mr. Vijay Keria. We understand that post the conversion, his stake will go up to 20%. Will he also be participating in terms of the board decisions, strategic decisions, or this is just as a financial investment for him?
There was a break of voice. Can you just come again?
I just wanted to understand that that Mr. Vijay Keria will go up to 20%. Is he coming in the capacity of just a financial investor, or will he be participating in business decisions as well?
Board since 2005 onwards, so he was already on the board. So no question of, he's going to be the only investor. He has keep on guiding us throughout this many years.
All right, fair enough. A financial investor as of now. I just wanted to also understand what your outlook is in terms of export growth. How do you see that growing going forward? We understand it is one of the key focus areas for the company. So what's the plan to grow your overseas revenues?
Perfect. We, as of now, getting almost 10% revenue from our export sales. Recently, we have introduced our gasoline three-wheeler, which is catering to the export market. In few of the countries, wherever we have exported, we have a positive response, and we are quite confident and excited that going forward, this product definitely will have a better response from various countries and overseas market. In a mid to long term, we expect that the export revenue would be anywhere between 20-25% in our sales composition.
Sure. The other thing I wanted to talk about and highlight a little bit in greater detail is, when is it that we see your electric three-wheeler on road, and how much market share do you think you can capture?
It is a bit premature to speak about the market share. However, the product is already homologated. We have tested and tried it out in our plant. It is under market clinic. No sooner we are going to announce a launch date. We are now ready with fixed battery solution where we have our backward integration. Atul Green Tech Private Limited, which is going to manufacture a lithium-ion battery. We have recently tied up with Honda for swappable solution, wherein our vehicular platform will be utilized for Honda batteries.
So also wanted your perspective on the profitability aspect. A, in terms of margins with the commodity prices coming off, should we expect a big bump up in margins in the coming quarters? And also what would it do to your bottom line? Because we understand for the last 6 quarters, you've been reporting a loss. Will things turn around in this quarter or maybe the next quarter?
Let us hope so. With softening commodity prices, we are expecting that there will be a positive, definitely, a green line at the bottom. Apart from that, this financial consolidation will also help us in improving our financial parameter. All in all, there will be a small pressure because we need to run both the plant and as you have already stated, the capacity is currently underutilized. We are putting up our best effort to just bring it up to the mark, and no sooner we will start delivering the margins better than the past.
Okay, and also broadly, we also got commentary coming in from the likes of Maruti that on account of the increase in the CNG prices, etc., they have seen an impact on the demand for such vehicles as well. Is this something that is concerning you as well when it comes to your product profile? Are you anticipating some sort of slowdown in demand?
See, in last couple of months, again, very surprisingly, diesel three-wheelers demand has gone up, which earlier was subdued and may need to wait for another quarter or so to understand the correct market trend. But yes, there is a surge for demand of diesel three-wheeler because CNG prices were going up.
Okay, great to have you on the show today. Thank you so much,
Thank you.
Mr. Adhia, for taking the time out and speaking with us today on ET Now.
Pleasure. It was pleasure. Thank you.